Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, giveaways. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for you for the month of October. It is the Beauty Creations Muriel Twins Brittany palette. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. So this one is yours. Going right back in the bubble wrap, and we'll do all the swatches that we're gonna do and everything from my palette. Talk to you a little bit about it. We'll do some swatches, do some looks, and let you know my final thoughts. We are giving away that brand new one to one of you. You must be subscribed to the channel. Watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word. Also be on the lookout down below under current giveaways. There's a couple more that are down there that are right now that are going to end pretty soon. So make sure that you check those out if you haven't already. So I did get this as part of an Ipsy glam bag. Now the glam bag themselves are only $13. So I was like, an eyeshadow palette that I can pick up? Because usually it's just sample sizes of stuff. And I was like, a palette? Yes, please. And I haven't checked out this brand before. So I'm excited always to try out new brands. So the palette itself does retail for $17. And what they say about it is obviously from the Muriel Twins collection. Who doesn't love a good colorful palette? Brittany needed to incorporate her signature purple and blue shades, but of course couldn't leave out the staple transition shades and needed to create an infinite amount of looks. I completely agree with that. So that being said, let me show you this. This is mine I'm showing you because I don't want to screw up yours. Here's the mirror. There's a mirror on this side. And then even look, it's such a pretty, obviously this is a used palette. This is mine. I do have that brand new one for you. So let's do some swatches. Let's swatch this top row. There's a cream matte here, and it's so creamy. It's great for the inner corner. Love it, and even along the brow bone. Now I'm thinking this is a pressed glitter, but it's really finely milled. It's not chunky. It's not anything like that. And it is in this shade Icy Girl. And look at that. Now I will say, so you can get a swatch that looks like this if you really dig I didn't dig it in too deep, but if you really press it in and on the lids. I did it very, very lightly on my look today. Love it. Let Me Live is this neutral kind of terracotta shade. It is a matte. Like I said, all the mattes are so creamy. And She Try is kind of this terracotta shimmer up here in the corner. So that's your top row. Look at that silver. Oh. This bright pink is Rose. It's a creamy matte. Unbothered is this purple matte. It's kind of a light violet. Hella is your brown dark matte. Works great in the crease and outer corner buildup. And then Toxic is this purple shimmer. So Boss Life is this pink shimmer. It's kind of a rose gold. Brit Pat is purple matte. The dark blue shimmer is Pisces. And the dark blue matte is Drip. I'd find different places to do these couple shades. Let's see if we can just kind of wrap the hand. The blues might have to go underneath. And those purples down there, and then there are your blues. Okay, let's get into the day's looks and what you need to do to win this giveaway. So I think I'm going to kind of go for a neutral look today. Kind of doing like these shades in here and kind of saving this fun stuff for the next look. Going out to dinner to celebrate my brother's birthday. Happy birthday, Jude. So keep a little more makeup on, a little more tame for today. Let's just start with that dark chocolate brown. Just kind of tap that in. I'm not worried about blending. I am just tapping into the crease. A little bit above it. And the outer corner. Then I do want to kind of blend that just a little bit. Work out any of those harsh lines. You don't need to be too precise on the blending because we will go over the top of that outer edge. And then I do want to go just above what we just did. Like I said, tapping to begin with. And now let's blend that a little bit. I am using a rougher 01. Now let's go just above that with this really light peach, almost just basically into the brow bone. This one has some fallout with it. I do want to tightline this dark brown right into that lash line. And then let's take a little bit of this right underneath to kind of buff that out and tie everything together. Then I'm going to take a little bit of this into the very inner corner and that lower lash, get in that tear duct. And then with our finger, let's just go like this and do a little tap, tap, tap. Okay, let me put some mascara on and I'll be right back. Okay, here's the finished look. Be right back with my final look. So I'm thinking today about kind of going like on the blues and a little bit of the purple tones today. So let's take this blue here in the corner into the crease and outer corner. I am taking that on our rougher 01. And I'm just tapping in the product. Look how pigmented that is. Oh my goodness. Just tapping right now. Now let's blend that just a hair. And then I am going to take a packer brush into this dark blue as well and put that kind of all over the lid. I want to take this purple just right, kind of along the upper edge that we did, that blue. Don't forget about the inner corner. And then the pink just above that, just very, very lightly. Just above that, let's take this one here, kind of into that brow bone area. You want a tight line with this dark blue. Get right into that lash line and connect those outer corners. And then just barely into that, take a little bit of that purple. Now what I think I'm going to do is take the blue in the outer corner, this blue shimmer, and then this purple shimmer in the middle, and this pink shimmer in the inner corner. See how that looks. This blue shimmer is really pretty. And just use my finger just to tap this on. Now let's go for the purple. It's not showing up as strong over that dark blue. I probably should have left that spot more blank. Let's go for this one in that very inner corner. That one's showing up pretty good. Now I do want to take this one here on a brush where my finger can't reach into that very inner corner, tear duct and lower lash waterline. Because why not? Let's take this, but just barely tapping. I'm not scooping it or anything, and I just want that kind of right in the center. Oh, so pretty. But yeah, I'm glad I didn't do like a whole big, because I'm not really doing a silver look. I just kind of wanted to give just a little bit of sparkle. Let me do my lips and put some mascara on and do my brows, and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my final thoughts. You know, for getting this in an Ipsy glam bag where the whole bag itself was $13, I thought was amazing. I really thought the pigmentation was there in all of the shades. They do last all day. The only one thing that I would say be careful for is for the fallout. This glitter shade especially, and I noticed on this matte as well. But other than that, I mean, I really do like this palette. I'm so glad I chose this to give away to one of you. Like I said, it is a brand new one. I do have 2 of them. So this is, my birthday is this month. So let's do the secret word, be birthday. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Make sure to put on it that secret word so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. You can get bonus entries, and how the bonus entries work is there's 4 different ways. Your first way is if you go follow me on Instagram, and that handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you go follow me on Twitter, it's that same BeautyAmaB followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you go follow me on TikTok, it's Christina Marie BeautyAmaB, same name as this channel. And your fourth way is if you share the video. It really helps me out so much, and I appreciate it so much when you guys share the video on your socials with your friends and family. It means the world to me when you do that. Let's have this giveaway go through November 4th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on November 9th, what I will do is I'll take from the Google Forms if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing. Remember, don't check on those on that one form that, remember, you only filled out one form, but you check it if you did do the bonus items. So if people did what they're supposed to be doing, and I do check and verify, I will put the first initial of their last name, including those bonus entries, into the computer. The computer spins all the names around on the 9th, and everybody sees it, and so everything's totally legit here. And the computer picks the winner, so I don't. So don't ask to win. As soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't sell your information. I'm the only one that has access to us. Like I said, your privacy is very important to me. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel. When you do, let me know how you guys are doing. Let me know how your weekend went. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway.